my name is Atim Suyatim. Basically, I'm from Indonesia, and I'm a chef in UAE almost 20 years. I'm working right now as a deputy production manager and head chef in Barakat Quality Plus Dubai. I'm here today in Nestlé Professional Engagement Center. Today I am cooking green Thai curry, which is using tiger prawn, and the dish is really rich spices, herb from Asian. For the Maggi brand, I gonna use coconut milk powder and then soya sauce.